Kid Next Door.
Hello, welcome to the Kid Next Door. So this time we are here with a new art technique that is called as reverse silhouette. Now this is really fun, trust me. It's so colorful and it's truly magical. What you have to do is you have to take a white paper. I have a canvas paper here and I'm using acrylic colors. So I'm just randomly applying any color anywhere, but make sure to use bright colors. So I have red, yellow, blue, green, orange, which I'm applying with random strokes anywhere, wherever I feel like, wherever my hand is going. There is no rule. So it's only fun right now that's going on. Okay, so feel free to use the color of your choice. Maybe you like pink or blue or purple. You can use any of those colors, but use bright colors. And there's no definite rule for the direction. You can apply them in standing vertical lines or sleeping horizontal lines, or just circular, random, any way you want to do them. Once you're done with your background, you have to let it dry completely. So after it has dried, we are going to use a black marker pen. I'm using a black permanent marker, which works the best in this case. And I have started drawing a simple pot. So I'm going to draw a flower pot here with some flowers and leaves in them. Okay. So I have drawn a pot and I'm adding different kinds of leaves and flowers and bud into them. For this also you may refer to what I am drawing or just feel free to keep going. It all depends on the size of your paper and what you want more. Maybe you can just fill the entire pot with these leaves. I really like them. You will see at the end the effect came out really pretty. So in this way we'll keep on adding leaves and flowers. See, I'm drawing so basic shapes, a spiral and some petals around. So I guess that's a very cute smiling flower for us. It's very simple to draw, and whatever space you are left with, you can fill it with leaves. Over here we have added a tulip kind of a flower and a stem and some leaves. So just keep going till you feel happy about what you have done. Okay. So basic idea is that you have to cover each and every part, each and every corner of this paper as much as you can. You don't have to leave much space in the background. So wherever you feel there is some space left, you keep adding something there. So you see I found some space on the sides and I'm adding these leaves again. Even if they are, coming very close to each other, I'm going till the edge of the paper to have as many objects in my scene as many possible. So over here I feel it's complete, and now the magic begins. So in the empty space where your main drawing is not there, you simply have to color it black with the same marker that you use for drawing. So just keep coloring the empty spaces black. So you see the space in between the leaves that I have colored them black right here, and I'll keep doing this till I complete the scene. So I'm doing this continuously. I'm just keep going in all the tiny spaces that are left, the blank space of the sheet is going to be black. And I found some space there in the corner. I'm adding more petals to make my main object bigger. And after I color, this is magical. Oh my god, what a graceful drawing. It's purely magical. Trust me, the scene looks superb. And now on with a similar technique, let's have a Holi theme card here. So we'll follow the same reverse silhouette pattern. Over here again, I'm painting the background in random strokes using my paintbrush and acrylic color. And once the background is done, I'm going to add my main drawing. So again, you see I have used very bright colors to make this beautiful bright Holi scene, and I'm simply writing Happy Holi in the center of my sheet in this cartoonic font, which is bubble font. So I'm just making everything double, all the lines, and it's okay if one letter is bigger and the other is small, that's just fine. Okay, so here goes Happy Holi. Now let's add some splash of color. For that, in the left hand side corner, I'm adding the water gun, which we call as Pichkari. So, and from this water gun, we are going to show the splash of color coming out of it. So I'm drawing big blobs of color falling out of it, and in the entire remaining part, I'm adding splashes, drops of the color, because Holi is all about that. It's a color festival. So these are just random lines. Again, there is no fixed pattern, there is no rule. Maybe you would be having more space in the background than I'm having, or less space. This is just fine. This is just an abstract work. Okay, so once you feel satisfied with the main objects, you can start coloring the background black with the same technique like what we did in the previous one. So I have started from one corner, and here we go. Okay, it was nice to have a black outline to your entire scene. This really makes it uniform. So as you can see here, I'm making a black outline to this, and then we continue coloring the background black. If you want, you can color the background black with paints, or you may use crayons to do this, whichever way you feel comfortable. But the effect of marker comes very well because it gives a glossy feel to the page. So even paints, the acrylic paint also gives a very good effect. So you see, because we have to cover as much as possible, I'm adding more water droplets around in my scene. So when you are coloring the background, wherever you feel okay, there is some more space and you want to add more objects, you can. And ta-da! You see how bright and beautiful, so attractive. So that should be all for today. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. Happy Holi, everybody!